Hi, I'm Raccoon, and you're watching ARiiE channel.
Not in the frame. You're just not. You're not doing nothing.
And then you're squinting.
First of all, what do you? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my first guest.
Raccoon.
He's here today. He's gonna do my makeup in 10 minutes. I know. I'm scared. I hope you're scared for me. I hope you pray for me. But I need you to go ahead and hit that like button, that subscribe button. When you hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you're notified every single time I upload, which is every single Monday. Now, if you want to see what he does to my face, keep on watching. So, he's only got 10 minutes to do my makeup. I don't know why this is so hard for him. He watches my videos. So, we're just gonna see what he learned.
Your videos.
I think he does. I stand corrected. I think he watches my videos.
I do watch your videos.
Okay, so, go ahead. I have nothing on my face. I barely even have, alright, so I should put some moisturizer on, but we're not gonna do it either. If I look a little greasy, that's natural grease that I use to fry chicken. Just
same.
Okay, stop. Are you ready? We got Aaron helping behind the scenes. I finally have people here that like, I know they're like, how do you even do this by yourself? I don't know. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm ready. Aaron, you remember what the stuff is?
I got one job, and that's not to remember
Okay.
any of that.
So, go ahead, Aaron, tell us when you start that timer.
And begin.
Alright, let's go. Alright,
It's not a race.
yes it is. I got 10 minutes and she has to go to the bar.
They know I don't go anywhere.
She's going to the bar.
I don't even drink, guys.
She drinks, she's an alcohol. So, you shush.
Alright, you're not, you gotta. Right. Yeah, so you could be in the frame.
You don't blend it in with this brush, you just apply it with it.
Okay, shush. Leave me alone. You know what you're talking about? You know how I am? I guess I should do both.
What?
Shut up, okay? Okay? I want this rose gold one because I see it on your YouTube sometimes.
Oh!
I'm not gonna stab you, I promise. I think I put too much because it's really liquid.
Also not the right brush, but go ahead.
Listen, it's rose gold and I seen that on your channel. You be like, whatever that says. I can't read that fast. I only got 10 minutes, y'all. Stop crying. It's not that bad. It is. Actually, the other eye is better than this one.
Oh my god.
This doesn't. It's not full coverage. We'll say that.
First of all, this foundation is.
So I do not recommend. Okay.
First of all, it's Shade Tape, so he tried it.
Oh,
Tell him what palette you're using.
What do I call it? Oh, the Game 2. I call it African Queens because that's all that's on there. Okay.
Sit down.
I'm just.
That left eye?
I only got 10 minutes. Don't.
Alright, continue.
I can't even see, guys.
How much time I got left?
You have 8 minutes left.
Alright, well, ain't nothing on this brush though. There we go.
Oh my god. I'm so scared.
Don't be.
I'm
You're
scared.
beautiful and.
I'm not, so.
Yes, you are.
Mm-mm.
Is it okay to just okay? You know what? If I mess up your stuff, you just kind of do it.
You're messing my palette. This is a brand new palette.
Yeah.
Oh
I didn't
my
mix anything.
God.
I didn't put like double dip in any.
What the hell?
Can you double dip with makeup or is it like a chicken nugget?
You definitely get a mix of
Alright,
colors.
friend to me because everyone's gonna keep telling me, oh, be in frame. Like that's important. It's just a YouTube channel. It's not HBO.
Wow.
Oh, wow.
It's not HBO. First of all, HBO, shout out to you. If you want to do a docu-series on my life, X this out. Oh, sorry.
Yeah, you should be sorry. See how I take control of the situation?
I'm already sorry.
Honestly, you probably just gonna have eyes on because what the fuck? This is so hard. And what we're gonna do next is really important to me because it's a cut crease.
What are you doing with this brush?
I'm not doing anything. I'm not using this.
That's not a cookie brush.
I'm not using this. I just picked it up because it's sitting there. Stop! Don't shush! You close your eyes and you let me do what I do. This is called a cut crease, okay, guys?
Oh, that's a lot.
Oh my god.
Listen, I'm great at this, and you're gonna have fun when you go out today. You gonna look good.
Just by the way you're doing it, I know that it's not a cut crease just from where you're putting this makeup.
Shut up. You don't know.
No.
I didn't say it. Don't say it. It's a clean channel today, yo. Don't use a different brush when I put it in a different color? Yes, no? Okay, I'm not gonna forget it. I asked you. What am I supposed to do? I asked. You're beautiful. Look. You are chocolate queen. Did that make you feel better?
It did make me feel better. Thank you.
There you go. I figured lies would make you feel good.
Oh my god. Do you even watch my videos at all?
Apparently not. But honestly,
coming from the person that just subscribed today.
Wow. This is not about me.
Oh, I didn't put it.
Yo. So at least one eye.
How much time is left? Cause you may just have one eye.
5 minutes.
Yeah. So one eye's gonna do this, and the other eye's gonna do that.
Oh my god.
I think we're gonna, cause we lost some of the green. That's what you say sometimes. We lost some of the green, so we're just gonna.
When the hell did you use green?
It's the first thing I put on.
What?
Gonna put some in the eye crotch.
Inner corner.
I just same thing. You look so good. Like first off, I just not even how Jamaican you look.
Oh my god.
Yeah, we're good with that. This goes first. No, it doesn't? Yes, it does. It does go first. And that sets it. Yeah. Okay, so we're just gonna draw that on there. And draw that on there. And we're gonna put one right there. And it's a little boom. Just because it even said, it looks like lines now. Which one did you No, that's for bronzer. Oh, this. What the fuck? I do. Yeah, okay, I'm just gonna.
Okay. Honestly, I'm gonna have bruises. This is domestic violence.
Jesus, look at your hair.
This is so.
Look at how hard you leave your face.
I should.
We should just cover up your eyebrows. Because I seen that in a magazine. They was like, eyebrows, what's that? And they didn't have none. I hate this eye.
I can feel all the spots that you're missing. Oh my
I
god!
think I'm missing. I think you look so good. This is the best you ever looked on your channel.
Why are you hitting me?
I'm taking out a lot of aggression that I've had for, how old are you? 25?
I'm not 25.
Are we the same age?
We're the same age.
Okay. Yikes, there's a lot of dang places missing. Who cares? I only got 10 minutes, y'all. Okay, so do you use the sponge again for this thing? No. Do you use that brush I had the
You got 3.
You can.
I'm gonna use it.
Oh my god. It's not Disney Channel. Just.
Is it? Okay. Pretty. Oh, you look so.
Honest to God, you're abusing me with these.
It looks so.
Why is everything so. Not the beard, not the beard.
This is really. Wow. You should have gave me some glitter.
No.
Glitter?
First of all, you picked everything first. How long are you gonna do that?
I don't know what. Let's put this on because it needs to. Look. This is mascara. Yeah. I won't leave.
Are you putting anything on at all, bro?
So you want me to be aggressive
No.
or not? Like, what do you want? I'm trying my best here. Is that better? Oh wait, I see it now. You made a difference.
Oh my god.
I'm not doing your bottom lashes because it made me nervous. So
Can you not put mascara on my face? You're hitting me with the brush. Why did you do this to me?
Why did you?
How much time I got left? Because I want to.
You have 2 minutes.
I'm gonna go back into those eyes real quick. Shh, hush.
What are you doing?
I only put a cut crease on one eye and then
I'm positive it wasn't a cut crease.
it's beautiful. You might be proud of it.
I'm not proud of you. At anything that you do.
I think you're really pretty and nothing. You're not gonna say anything.
I'm just first.
So you agree? You think you're really pretty?
You are just abusing my poor brush.
So you agree? You think you're really pretty?
I do. I think.
That's a quote
I
from.
think if you want me to keep my eye, you should not be so rough.
That's a. Oh yeah, I forgot this is. That's a quote from Mean Girls. If anybody's ever,
I do it.
If anybody's ever seen that, it has Lindsay Lohan and.
That's the green you were using?
Shut the. Oh wait, this is not what I want. Okay, wait.
What the hell? Did you even do a transition? What colors did you use?
Shh. Stop talking.
Jamaican colors is what he used.
You just keep talking. I just don't understand why.
Why are you
That
not
has a
being
lot of
back?
fallout.
No, it didn't have any.
I saw it. Shut up. You said we were going to you said we were going to Carnival.
That was not even me.
How much time I got left? Like 30 seconds?
55 seconds.
Okay. Alright. You looking good, India. You want me to do those eyebrows real quick?
I want you to don't touch me ever again. I'm honestly a victim.
This makes me sound really nasty. Don't say that. People are gonna be on my fucking. Oh, sorry. Damn. I hate this eye. So fuck this shit. Right out here.
Oh my god.
It's alright. It's alright now. Now it's. I hate this. No, sorry. I got it. It's worse.
What did he do?
I still have to use the third color, which I didn't touch.
What's the time? Please, please.
10 seconds.
Alright, then I'm gonna just keep. We're just gonna green it up, right?
Oh my
We're
god.
just gonna. Oh, I didn't put no lips on you. Ain't no lip over there, so.
Ain't no.
Because I would have ran across the room.
Time's up.
Time.
Wow!
Please, please.
Oh,
Pass me that right there.
Oh my god.
Pass me that right there.
Please.
trash you the whole box.
Yeah, just give me the mirror, please.
Close your eyes.
I don't think so.
Close your eyes. I almost dropped the mirror.
Oh my god. Give me the mirror.
So his first time, honestly, one eye isn't as bad as the other.
Honestly, you're his friend. So,
Is he?
not trusting you.
Is he my
Okay.
friend? He didn't know me.
Right, I was being.
I don't even want to look. I'm so scared.
I'd be scared too.
Guys, how did he do? Comment down below before I even look. Please.
Thank you. In advance. Thank you. Is
What did you even... Is there even foundation anywhere? There's foundation right here. Only.
I did good.
You didn't even do any mascara. You did horrible.
I was trying. I was scared.
You didn't try.
Yeah.
What is this? First of all, where's the cut?
Right there. You see that? It's cut.
What the? Did you only use shimmers?
Is that what that's called?
So like one is cut and then one is like blended.
How about they both look like shit?
No, this one is really nice.
What?
I told you the right eye looks way better.
Okay,
You were ready to-
sure,
you were
but
ready to
why
go.
did you
But
do
why is
this?
it in the corner of her eye? Like,
That's high end.
Why are you doing
it
this?
right.
That-
It looked like
I
you
saw-
got beat up and you was trying to cover up.
I saw that
all
in
the
Vogue
marks.
Italia.
With my toes,
Right.
like I used the brushes with my. Why you doing this?
I saw that in Vogue Italia.
That's not love at all.
I tried to fix it on my finger.
Can you mash up your whole face?
Y'all, this is my blood. Why?
She's just so happy right now. She's really. It's
No.
overwhelming.
Overwhelming. This is horrible.
It's overwhelming how great I did.
You didn't do anything. What is this?
You want me to do your eyebrow right now?
Don't touch me.
No, come here.
Don't touch me.
Let me fix. All right, I did my 10 minutes. Let me fix it now. Let me make you better.
Better?
Yeah. Come here. Come here.
Okay, you're brushing my eyebrows the wrong way.
No, that's the way that
No.
that you brush it before you draw.
No.
Yeah.
No.
No, don't brush it the same way as your thing because
Yes,
you want your eyebrows to be bushier.
No, I don't. Listen,
Wow.
I spent time so that they're not bushy.
Oh, you don't want them
No.
to be bushy.
But thanks so much for watching, guys.
And we'll see you later. But that's another
No.
YouTube channel.
No.
That's Christine. Shout out to you. Bring her on your channel.
Wow. Guys, thanks for watching. I'm hurt right now.
Are you gonna do a photo shoot?
Oh no.
Can you do the slow motion?
No. No.
But you're a beauty guru.
I am not.
And so am I.
Guys, comment down below. Let me know how he did.
10 out of 10.
Please subscribe. Stay here.
Especially if you want to see more beauty like this.
This is not what I do. This is not me. I promise. Please. Really did this to me.
It's really good, yeah.
You really did this to me.
I fucked that. Oh, sorry.
Right, you sure did.
You sure did.
Sure did.
All the way up.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. Okay, guys.
You're definitely ready for carnival.
I'm ready for
Circus.
something. Something. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Until next time. Oh my.
This is fun.
It's not recording, is it?
Yeah, it is. Like all of that.
What do I look at?
The camera?
It's awkward.